How to fix no notification sound in phone 4a. First of all, turn off do not disturb. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on sounds and vibration, click on do not disturb, and if you want to turn off do not disturb, then click on turn off now. After click on turn off now, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on notifications. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see apps. Select app that you want to turn on notification. After selecting app, click on notification and turn on this button. After turning on this button, selected app notification will be turned on from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset accessibility setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on reset by setting, and again click on reset by setting. Accessibility setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix no notification sounds in phone 4a. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.